All right. The purpose of this video is to give a brief overview of part 1 of electricity and magnetism activity. Materials will be in a box and will be labeled in the room part 1. But probably the most confusing part about this, it mentions a masonry nail. This is a masonry nail, just so for your reference. It's great for, it's commonly used for driving in mortar. It's just a little bit stronger than regular nail. And then these are the disc-shaped magnets. Now I have this arranged right now with 3 smaller ones and a 4th bigger one. It probably would work if you just had 3 smaller ones. I think this bigger one might help a little bit, but basically you're going to need a few round magnets on the end of the masonry nail. You're going to end up with wire, this black wire. Now it's going to have alligator clamps on each end of it. They get very tangled. And then you're going to have this test tube. In the course of the activity, you will be wrapping, and I recommend wrapping the wire around the end. And it certainly can be nice and organized where it's next to each other, but when you start doing a lot of wraps, it's probably going to be better if you start layering it with more than one wrap over the top like that. So there's kind of a trade-off. You want as many coils together as possible when you're doing this. Now each end of these alligator clamps, this can get a little awkward with these magnets, is going to be connected to the end of the leads on the multimeter. Make sure to turn your multimeter on during the lab and then off when you're done with the lab. Each of these leads will be connected to the multimeter, these alligator clamps, the multimeter leads. And then you'll effectively, the way you will measure this is you will quickly slide the magnets. The nail is just to give you an easy way to hold on to the magnets. You'll quickly slide these magnets past that coil like that. And you're going to be looking at the readout on here. Then you'll pull it out quickly and you'll look at that readout. So the key is you do one pass and you're going to get, try to see if you can get that highest number, and then also one pass out. Make sure when you're done to turn these off. Thank you, and I hope that helps.